Less Annoying CRM is designed to be a simple and straightforward customer relationship management tool, particularly for small businesses. Here's how to use it. Sign up and set up. Start by signing up for an account at Less Annoying CRM's website. Once logged in, you'll be prompted to set your CRM by entering your company's basic information and customizing fields to suit your business needs. Add contacts. Navigate to the Contact section. Click on Add Contact and enter the contact's details, such as name, email, phone number, and any other relevant information. You can also import contacts from a CSV file if you have a large list. Create tasks and events. Go to the Calendar section to create tasks and events. Click on Add Task or Add Event to schedule follow-ups, meetings, or reminders. These tasks can be linked to specific contacts. Track sales leads. Use the pipeline feature to track your sales leads. Click on Add Pipeline to create stages of your sales process and move leads through the stages as they progress. Notes and collaboration. Add notes to contacts and leads to keep track of interactions and important information. Collaborate with your team by assigning tasks and sharing notes within the CRM. Reports and analytics. Use the Report section to generate insights on your sales activities, such as lead conversion rates, sales performance, and task completion. Customization. Customize the CRM by adjusting settings, adding custom fields, and integrating with other tools you use like email and calendars.